Hi, here's a quick vid on my 24-inch Amaya Raine Rainbow High Dowel prototype for paper shoes. Kind of an experiment. This is what I've got so far, which she can stand unassisted in them, so yay. Basically, these are the paper patterns that I've come up with. Just traced around the foot, shaped the shoe how I wanted it. This is the top part. Once you have it cut out, I made sure I cut it on the fold, so it's a little thicker. That's what this part is right here across the top. And then once you're going to put it on the shoe, you fold it on that line, clip it around the line, and trim it so that it lays flat when you glue it. I use hot melt glue to glue it. After that, sit down for a second. Yeah, sit, lady. Okay, so the shoes came off. They're not decorated or anything. It's just a prototype again. Basically, once you have it glued, use two pieces of this pattern. You fold it. So here's the fold. Shape it to her foot. Put the hot melt glue on. Put the next layer on after you have this glued onto it. After that, I glued thin strip of paper around the bottom. Cut another piece that was shaped just like the toe area. Stuck that in there with some hot melt glue. For the back, I rolled a piece of paper, filled the cavity with hot melt glue, trimmed it on a slant so that it would be straight, and then left a little tab on the back so that I could fold it over the top. And so far, it's pretty sturdy. It bends a little bit. It would probably be best to put some wire in between the two layers to kind of make it a little sturdy, but she can still stand in it just fine. Once I get the whole thing decorated, I found these little beads, so that's going to be the bottom of the heel here. It would probably stand a lot better if they weren't so pointed, but I want a stiletto, so basically that's how this shoe looks. And then I marked them left and right so I could keep track of what pieces went where. One tip is when you're assembling them, right R for right, left for left, put it on both sides of the pieces of paper, because once you glue something down and it happens to be written on the wrong side, then it's hard to keep track afterwards. So I'm constantly writing L's for R. L's for left, R's for right. Basically, they turned out pretty good. Again, it's just a prototype. It's an experiment. I like how they're turning out so far. Hopefully this helps someone make some of these. But again, they've turned out pretty sturdy. And now, once I have them decorated, she'll have an extra pair of shoes. Yay!